Welcome back to the channel, my friends. It is time to change the wiper blades on this L322. Fairly simple task. I'm going to show you how to do it. I've already done the driver's side. I bought them in a set, so I have all of them, including the rear. So let's go ahead and get this done. First, if you lift the wiper blade up like that, it will lock in that position. That'll give you some room to work. Top of the wiper blade, there is a small locking clip here. If you take a screwdriver and push it towards the arm, what that does is it should unlock the wiper blade from the arm. As I was trying to lift this piece, it actually broke. They do get brittle over time, but either way, I was able to slide it this way, and that unlocks the wiper blade from it. That can go in the garbage. When you have the wiper arm up in the air like this, you want to be careful. You want to take the end, if you're working on something else, at least put a rag on it and put it down onto the windshield, because it is spring loaded. If it happens to snap back onto the windshield, it will break the windshield. It will crack it, so you want to be careful. Now that we have the wiper blade itself off, we need to completely remove this clip from here. Got to break it off with a screwdriver in it. Sometimes they do tend to get stuck. Once this locking clip is moved into unlock position, you're able to squeeze the ends, and you can see these locking pins on both ends. They lock into these holes on here. Again, once that locking clip is moved into position, you're able to squeeze that out and unlock it from the wiper arm. There is also another plastic piece in here that we will no longer need, and you can remove that and discard that also. Here's our new wiper blade. I believe they call these the boneless, so this doesn't have the metal frame like the older ones did. And these are fairly easy to put on. If you look at this end, these round locking tabs on here, all you need to do is line that up into the wiper arm and give it a push, and you'll hear it click and lock in. You want to pull it back and forth and make sure it's locked in, and put the wiper blade back onto the windshield. There is these protective film over the wiper blade itself. You want to go ahead and remove that, and they look great. We also have a rear one, which is a little different. It's a J-hook style on these, and we'll get that changed. On the rear wiper, what you want to do is you want to turn the key on, put the rear wiper blade on, and when it reaches the center here as it's wiping, you want to turn the key off, and that'll lock it in this position here. Then you're able to lift it up, and under this, it's a little bit of a different connection than how the front one is. If you look at this hook, you're able to squeeze this in. That's what unlocks it. So you want to squeeze this in and push the wiper blade in at the same time. This hook of the wiper blade will come through here, hitting this, and we can get it out of there. You can see how that's sliding back. You want to go ahead and push that all the way through, just like that, and we'll get the wiper blade away from the wiper arm. You just want to make sure you don't let this arm snap onto the window. It will break the window. Just a hook that goes up and over and locks onto this clip. Let's get the new one. So I got the new wiper blade here. It's an identical piece. Again, they are different from the front as far as the hook up onto the wiper arm. So basically, we're going to put that in the same position. Put the hook through the wiper blade. So here I have the wiper blade in position. So that still needs to come forward to lock in. And just like that. And that'll clip in and that'll lock into position there. And you can see that's all the way onto the hook. And we're back in business. So that was easy enough to do. We'll test the functions of them. Again, you want to replace them all at the same time. Easiest thing to do. I will leave a link for this product in the description for you. Thank you for watching.